Let's see what Emily's up to. She's in the chicken area. There she is. Oh, have you got some food scraps for the chickens? Alright, let's have a look. You're going to give them the food? Have they eaten much of it? They'll nibble their way through it all, won't they? Is there?
Yeah.
They'll find it.
Yeah, they can eat some. They followed it. They've already like picked it down. Oh, guess what? I was just holding my foot up like this, and the chicken was like, "Oh, I will stand on there," and I yeeted it up into the air, and it didn't fly. It just went slowly back down. I wonder what's going to be under here.